In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear content in Google Sheets in just 2 seconds. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that allows us to organize, analyze, and collaborate on data with ease. However, sometimes you need to clear the contents of a cell or a range of cells, either to tidy up or to start fresh. Today, I'll demonstrate how you can do this quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. Our first step is to open the Google Sheets file you want to work with. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive and selecting the file from there, or if it's a document shared with you, you might find it in your Shared with Me tab. Once your desired spreadsheet is up on the screen, you'll be ready to start clearing content. Next, focus on the range of cells you wish to clear. Click on a cell and drag your mouse over the range you want to highlight. This could be a single cell, an entire row, an entire column, or multiple sections of data. You'll notice that as you drag, the cells will highlight in light blue, indicating that they have been selected. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to extend your selection. Selecting the correct range is essential. Double-check to ensure that only the cells you intend to clear are highlighted. With your selection highlighted, you're ready to clear the content. This is where Google Sheets makes things simple. You have 2 easy options to clear the content quickly. While your selected cells are still highlighted, press the backspace key on your keyboard if you're on a Windows PC or the delete key if you're using a Mac. This will instantly remove the contents of the selected cells, leaving them blank and ready for new data. Alternatively, you can right-click the selected area and a context menu will appear. Simply click on the Clear Contents option and you will achieve the same result. One handy tip to keep in mind is to ensure that you save your work before clearing any contents, especially if you're dealing with data you might not be able to recover, or if other collaborators are working on the same document. In the event of accidental deletions, don't worry. Google Sheets has a useful undo feature. Just hit Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to revert the most recent change. So there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to clear content in Google Sheets in just 2 seconds, helping you maintain organized and up-to-date spreadsheets with minimal fuss. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on enhancing your productivity with Google Sheets.